The Nikon Coolpix P950, a camera that leaves no stone unturned when it comes to capturing the world in all its glory. With its impressive 83x optical zoom, built-in Wi-Fi, and a myriad of other features, it's a tool designed for the discerning photographer. It's for those who demand more from their equipment, who want to push boundaries and capture moments in exceptional detail. With this camera, Nikon once again proves why it's a leader in the photography world. Now, let's delve into the reasons why the Nikon Coolpix P950 has been making waves among photography enthusiasts. First off, the Nikon Coolpix P950 boasts an impressive 83x optical zoom. This feature, a standout among its peers, allows photographers to capture detailed images from a significant distance, bringing far-off subjects into clear focus. Imagine the ability to photograph a soaring bird or a distant landmark with absolute clarity, all from the comfort of your current location. That's the power the P950 offers. Next, there's 4K ultra-high-definition video recording. Whether you're capturing the hustle and bustle of a city street, the serene flow of a mountain stream, or the intimate moments of a family gathering, the P950 delivers cinema-quality videos that bring your memories to life. Another notable pro is the P950's ability to capture images in RAW format. This feature gives photographers the freedom to fully control their images during post-processing. You can fine-tune colors, adjust exposure, recover details, and much more without losing image quality. Lastly, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring your photos and videos a breeze. You can swiftly share your shots or back them up to your device without the hassle of wires. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is not just a camera. It's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, the P950's features are designed to enhance your photography experience and ensure ease of use. So, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is packed with features that make it a powerful tool for any photographer. But no camera is perfect, and the Nikon Coolpix P950 is no exception. First, let's touch on the weight. This camera is not the lightest. In fact, it's a bit on the heavy side. This might not be a major issue if you're shooting from a tripod, but it can be a burden during long handheld shooting sessions. Now, let's talk about the lack of a touchscreen. In a world where touchscreens are practically everywhere, the absence of this feature on the P950 is a noticeable drawback. It can make navigating menus and changing settings a bit more time-consuming than we'd like. Lastly, there's the price tag. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is not exactly a budget-friendly option. Its high-end features come with a high-end price, which may be a deterrent for those just dipping their toes into photography. While it has a few shortcomings, the Nikon Coolpix P950's strengths certainly outweigh its weaknesses. To sum it all up, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is a camera that promises a lot and delivers even more. We've taken a deep dive into this gem in the world of photography, and it's clear that it's a camera that stands out for many reasons. Remember the incredible zoom capabilities, the versatility offered by its numerous shooting modes, and the convenience of built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? These are just a few of the many reasons why the Nikon Coolpix P950 has made a name for itself among photography enthusiasts. Of course, it's not without its downsides. The lack of touchscreen and the slightly hefty weight might be deal breakers for some. But considering the impressive features it packs, these are minor inconveniences that can be easily overlooked. If you're a photography enthusiast looking for a camera that offers a great blend of features, flexibility, and performance, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is worth considering. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MacTech Addicts for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time.